Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive Kia Soul, only way. Place your foot on the brake and start the engine using the key or button, then shift into drive if automatic or first gear if manual. Check mirrors and blind spots, release the parking brake, and gently ease off the brake while applying light throttle. Keep hands at 9 and 3, maintain calm steering, and anticipate traffic to drive smoothly. Warm up to the Kia Soul's controls by locating the gear selector, parking brake, and main switches before you move. Learn where the traction and drive mode buttons live and how eco versus sport affects throttle feel. Practice using turn signals and wipers until they are second nature. Start in a quiet parking lot to get a feel for acceleration and braking, and gradually build confidence in different traffic conditions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to keep the tips coming. Quick recommendation. The Echo Dot smart speaker brings music, voice navigation, and hands-free control to your car setup with surprisingly clear sound and compact size. It pairs well with phone mounts and playlists for driving. Check the description for the link and other deals, grab one if it fits your routine, and now let's get back to the video. Drive defensively by scanning intersections and anticipating other drivers' moves, keeping both hands ready on the wheel. Practice smooth inputs, gentle throttle, progressive braking, and gradual lane changes to preserve control. Watch for blind spots and use mirrors plus shoulder checks when changing lanes or merging. Respect speed limits, adjust for weather and road conditions, and prioritize gradual maneuvers to ensure safety and comfort for everyone on board.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.